Hey all, today's going to be a quick one, so you won't see my face. Haven't had the time to actually go and do all of that. So yeah, just stick around and you'll see how to do placeholder revisions. So thank you. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to create a placeholder revision for times when you're unsure of what date you're going to issue a revision on a particular sheet, but you still need to remember where the revision was and you need to cloud it. So ideally what you want to do is go through to your revisions. That is up in your additional settings under Manage tab, additional settings and sheet revisions. And here you can see I've already created a placeholder revision. Let me just delete this and show you. So you've got like various revisions that we've got in here at the moment. Essentially what you want to do, and you can see this is Revit 2023. Revit 2023 is like a little bit more specific in how to do this. So what I've done is I've created a placeholder numbering system. If I go over to that placeholder numbering system, it's under alphanumeric. So if I edit that, you can see alphanumeric placeholder do not remove. That's just so that people are aware that we don't want to get rid of this. And then the numbering sequence is XX. We don't want to add more than that. We don't need comma anything because we only want to have one of these. So okay, let me go add. At the moment I've got a per project, but I probably can just switch this over to per sheet, add. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this numbering system to placeholder, and then I'll just show XX when it pops up. Let me just double check that if I click on it. Yeah, XX, still XX after the change. And now what I'll do is for the date, I'll just put in XX, XX, XX. In Australia we do day, month, year. So if all the Americans watching, apologies. And then we're going to put in here for the description, placeholder, and then we're going to put in brackets, keep it bottom, right? Just going to put in XX and then XX. Okay, let's put a revision cloud around that. Choose that XX, because we don't know when we're going to issue this. So let's just go and put it around. Let's say there's a wall moved or something in this bathroom. Let's say minor changes have happened to the treads of the stairs. Okay, cool, done. But now you'll see that there's a placeholder, keep it bottom. Which obviously when you're going to issue this drawing, you don't want to see that. So when we go to the next phase and we're going, okay, let's issue revision for construction or construction documentation, then the next thing you want to do is you go back over and create a revision for whatever you wanted to do. But you must place that above, because otherwise this one will get lost, right? So essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to go add, and then I'm going to go move up. So we can make sure that this one doesn't get lost. And then what I'll do is I'll change this over to construction, to day today, 23rd of the 3rd, 2023, issued for construction, project lead. Okay, cool. But now it hasn't changed. So what we're going to just quickly do is go over to sheet, go edit, and we're going to go and add that to the sheet, because we first want to do that before we switch over the revision. And then what we do is go over to the revision, and then we click top here, and we change it to the sequence 5, which is the issue for construction that we've just created. And now if you go back over here, the placeholder's gone, and it should be as simple as just switching it over from the sequence to the sequence before. So if you're ever needing to just do a placeholder revision and you don't know the next time you're going to issue that revision, I highly recommend this method. It's really easy, and it's once a team knows, it's quite a breeze to get around this. I hope it's been helpful. Yeah, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, remember to check out some of my other Revit hacks over here. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. All supporting documentation links can be found in the description below. And if you're feeling up to it, I'd really appreciate your support over on Coffee. Happy designing!